This course is called The History of the Jews of Spain. It's a 4-session course and covers 1,000 years of history. It's based on a book that I wrote. Here's my book, Exiles in Sepharad, The Jewish Millennium in Spain. It's published by the University of Nebraska Press and the Jewish Publication Society. I've taught this course Smithsonian Associates. I've given a book talk, and I've taught it through both through here, Encore Learning, and through Osher Oli. In that 4-session course, I'm going to cover 1,000 years of history. In brief, in 1390, there were more Jews in Spain than all the rest of Europe combined, and they had levels of wealth and power and influence that was unheard of anywhere else in Europe. They had a history of philosophy, of poetry, of great culture, of religious writing. 1391, all that was shattered when anti-Jewish riots spread through the 2 Spanish kingdoms of Aragon and Castile, resulted in forced conversion of tens of thousands of Jews, the largest mass conversion in modern history. All this shattered what had been, at that point, the most successful Jewish community in Europe. This led to the creation of a new group of people known as the Conversos. Anti-Jewish sentiments started to translate to the Conversos. They were being mistreated. This led to the foundation 100 years later of an institution known as the Spanish Inquisition. And 8 years later, it induced the King and Queen of Spain, Ferdinand and Isabel, to order the expulsion of the Jews, ending the life of the Jews in Iberia and beginning one of the great diasporas in the modern world. So my course will tell that story in 4 sessions. It'll be a lecture course with pictures, but I'll be open to questions and participation from the class.